Ali, come here. Hi guys, good morning. No, Ali, come here. I'm here today guys. Ano ako guys, yung husband ko nag-trim sa olive. I help my husband guys to pick all these branches. Look. This one, all the branches for olive guys. So, need to put there. I need to help my husband guys because I felt sorry with him. Just he do the job, so that's why I help him to picking all these things. So yung ano guys, yung olive branches kasi guys, every year to siya inaano guys, tinitrima ng asawa ko. Ito yung palang ano ko guys yan, saka yan. Ito yung ano guys, mga branches. Yan yung olive guys na tinitriman yung asawa ko. Dami naman yung olive guys Saan pa sa iba. Ito yung garden namin guys. Garden. Malapit lang sa bahay namin. Tapos, ito yung guys. Yung asawa ko guys. So, I need to bring this one guys. Guys. Ginagamit to siya pang guys, panggatong ng kamino. Tingnan nyo guys. Ito yung ginagatong. Ito yung namin guys. Apple tree. This one is peach tree. Tingnan nyo guys, yung namin, yung vineyard namin, yung saan yung mga grapes. Pag ganito ng time, na to siya, mga larag na yung dahon. Ito yan guys, lagay ko yan siya dyan, kasi panggatong yan guys. Yan yung ibang olive namin guys Dami. Yan yung olive namin guys. Maliliit pa siya. 2 years ago pa itong tinatanim ng asawa ko. Yan yung olive namin guys. Yung nagdadala na siya ng ng bunga. Tingnan niyo siya guys. So maganda. Beautiful olive tree. Kailangan pa to siyang guys, ititrim. Kasi malaki na siya. Natumana. Makakita. Vineyard namin guys Yung olive guys, hindi to mga larag ng dahon. Yung lang. Yung iba. Okay guys, thanks for watching. See you for my next video. Goodbye.